If you often need to rename your files on your Mac using their creation date, use this shortcut. I select all the files and start the shortcut, and you can see it automatically rename all files. And how you can do that, I will show you in this video step by step. And for more and different variations of this shortcut, you can follow me on Patreon. Okay, then let's start. Open the app shortcuts from Apple, and there you will find a plus button on the top right. Click on it and it creates a new shortcut. First, you should name your shortcut. For example, rename files with creation date. And if you click on the icon, you can choose a color and the icon. Now you will need just 4 actions. First, search on the right side for Get Selected File and double click on this action. Next, you have to repeat each action with each file you selected. And for that, search for Repeat with each and double click on this action. Next, we have to get the name of the file. For that, search for Get Details of Files and don't double click on it. Take it and drag it to this place. Now you have to set the detail. Click on Detail and select Name. And at least we have to rename the file. And there's the action Rename File. Don't double click on it, select it and drag it to the last action. And here Shortcuts makes a little mistake. Make a right click on Name on the first name and select Clear. Then make a right click again on File and select Repeat Item. Finally, we have to set the name. Make a right click on Name and select Repeat Item. Now make a left click on Repeat Item and select Date Created. After that, you can choose a date format you want. I select ISO 8601 and then click somewhere else. And now you can feel free to click behind from this date created, make a space or a minus or whatever you want. I make a space and now I need the name from the file itself. So I make a right click on it, select Insert Variable and select Name. Now our shortcut is ready to go. Maybe you want to rename many files. In this case, you have to open Shortcuts in the menu bar and select Settings. And in the settings, you have to go to Advanced and activate the option Allow sharing large amounts of data. Now we are ready to test our shortcut. For that, I will open the Finder again and rename the files with another shortcut to reset it. And now I click on the play button and then you will see a window. You have to allow your shortcut to rename files in the Finder. Click on Always Allow, maybe again Always Allow for every file type. And at the end you will see every file is renamed with the creation date. You can also have access to your shortcut from your home screen. Make a right click on it and choose Edit Widgets and search for Shortcut. Here you can choose just a single shortcut or a folder with shortcuts. This is the same you can see on my home screen. And in this video I will show you how you can open your favorite folder just with one click with a shortcut. See you next time. Bye bye. And for more and different